Good day everyone, I'm Maribeth Amisola. For today's video, I explain how to compute future value for question number 1. So I have solution. So R is 1,500 and the smallest R is 6%. So 0.06 na lang siya. And the M is 12 and N is 12 times 3, so 36. And the I is 0.06 divided by 12, so ang kinalabasan is 0.005. And next we have what I call that, so this is a formula. Yan. So pag nasulat nyo na yung formula, attach nyo yung itong given, attach nyo dito sa formula. So let's start. And na-attach ko na siya, guys. So para mapadali tayo, gawin natin yung sa example ni sir, which is yung etong madali. So let's attach to calculate. Wait lang, guys. 1,500 times dash 1.005 raise 36 minus 1 dash divide 0.005. So ito ang answer. Yan. Papakita ko na lang dito, guys. Ayun. 59004.16. Bye-bye!